Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Kassa Vinyl is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing flooring options available on the market today, offering a unique blend of durability, water resistance, and a wide array of design possibilities that can transform any space into a visually stunning and highly functional environment, making it a top choice for homeowners and designers alike seeking a practical yet beautiful flooring solution that stands the test of time and daily wear. Number 5. IModeur Permanent Adhesive Vinyl Sheets. Discover a world of color with our premium vinyl sheets. Available in 38 assorted matte and glossy finishes, they're perfect for all your creative projects. Experience frustration-free crafting. Our vinyl is designed for easy cutting and weeding, even for intricate designs, thanks to its optimal thickness. Unleash your creativity with any cutting machine. These sheets are compatible with all major brands, ensuring a seamless crafting experience. Create with confidence. Our permanent vinyl boasts impressive durability, lasting up to 5 years indoors and 4 years outdoors. Achieve flawless results every time. Enjoy a smooth, bubble-free application with our specially designed sheets. With over 15 years of expertise, we're dedicated to your satisfaction. We stand behind our products and are here to support your creative journey. What we like. This option offers an extensive selection of colors and quantities, making it perfect for large projects or frequent crafters. If you need a wide variety of colors for detailed designs or long-term applications, this is the choice for you. Its durability ensures your creations will last, so if you're looking for value and variety, consider this. What people say. Great colors and quality. Easy weeding. All the sheets were in perfect condition, and when I cut my design they weeded just fine. The vinyls feel high quality, have a uniform surface and can be easily applied to different surfaces. The vinyls can be cut excellently with the plotter, even delicate motifs or fine lettering are cut cleanly and precisely without the edges fraying or the material tearing. Number 4. Kassa X Large Chalkboard Wallpaper. Transform any smooth surface into a vibrant canvas with this large chalkboard wallpaper. It's perfect for bringing your ideas to life at home, school, or the office. Installation is a breeze thanks to its convenient peel and stick design. Simply remove the backing and apply it to walls, tables, or desks with ease. This generous roll provides ample space for all your notes, drawings, and brainstorming sessions. Let your imagination run wild on this expansive surface. Get started right away with the included markers and eraser cloth. Everything you need to begin creating is conveniently packed in one set. Crafted from durable, water-resistant material, this dry erase surface is built to last. It's removable and reusable, offering endless possibilities for expression. Easily cut it to your desired shape or size with scissors, making it incredibly versatile. This allows you to personalize any space with a unique touch. Presented in attractive gift packaging, it makes an excellent and thoughtful present. Give the gift of creativity and endless possibilities to someone special. What we like. This is a fantastic, all-in-one solution for transforming any surface into a writable space instantly. If you need a quick and easy way to create a temporary or permanent chalkboard surface for notes, brainstorming, or kids' art, this is ideal. Its generous size and included accessories make it incredibly convenient for home, school, or office use. What people say. The material was thicker than I had expected, and very smooth. It was easy to cut a straight line because the backing has grid lines printed on it. It went on smoothly and I was able to push any bubbles out or carefully lift a mislaid area to reflatten. Number 3. Kassa 60-piece Permanent Vinyl Sheets. Introducing our permanent vinyl sheets, perfect for bringing your artistic visions to life. With a wide array of vibrant colors, you can create eye-catching designs and decals for any project. This all-inclusive set features 60 sheets in 10 distinct colors, including glossy and matte finishes. Let your imagination run wild as you decorate your world with your own exciting designs. Craft with confidence knowing our permanent vinyl is built to last. Its durable adhesive back ensures your creations stay put, and its water-resistant nature keeps them vibrant in various conditions. Designed for compatibility with most cutting machines, these vinyl sheets offer a seamless crafting experience. Achieve intricate cuts and simple designs with ease, making them your trusted choice for creative projects. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, These sheets adhere effectively to various surfaces like ceramic, glass, and wood. An included squeegee ensures easy application for all your styling and decorating needs. What we like. This set provides a good balance of quantity and color variety for general crafting needs. If you enjoy creating personalized decals, styling home decor, or working on various DIY projects, this is a great option. The inclusion of a squeegee ensures a smooth application, and its water-resistant nature means your designs will hold up well. What people say. You get a variety of colors and enough sheets for quite a few projects. As long as you are cutting bold enough fonts and size it bigger than 1 inch, you will have no problem cutting or weeding the vinyl. Seems durable so far. Sticks really good. Thick enough to make me feel comfortable putting on wood surface. Absolutely love how easy it is to weed. I've used it on a cup that I've washed numerous times and put through the dishwasher at high heat and sanitize wash, and it still looks brand new. And the selection of colors is really nice. The variety in color, neon colors especially. The fact that I wasn't receiving a roll of vinyl but already cut to size 12 by 12 sheets, that would fit my mat easily. When cutting the vinyl peels off from the backing with ease. Easy to work with especially for a busy teacher. Number 2. Kassa Reusable Whiteboard Wallpaper. Introducing a convenient and easy-to-use whiteboard solution. It's designed for simple application, transforming any surface into a writing space. Installation is a breeze with its peel and stick design. Just remove the backing and apply it to walls, tables, or desks for instant use. This versatile roll allows you to create your own customizable writing surface anywhere. It's perfect for spontaneous ideas, planning, and creative expression at home, school, or the office. Enjoy the convenience of a reusable surface that erases cleanly without residue. Made from durable, water-resistant vinyl, it's built to last through everyday use. Each set comes with everything you need, including colorful markers and an eraser cloth. You'll have ample space for creativity and vibrant visuals. Customize it by cutting it to any desired shape or size, adding a personal touch to any space. It's also a fantastic and thoughtful gift option. What we like. This product is perfect for those who need a flexible and mess-free writing surface that can be easily changed or moved. If you frequently update information, need a temporary planning space, or want a fun art surface for kids that won't damage walls, this is the one. Its reusability and simple application make it incredibly practical for dynamic environments. What people say. I bought the clear one to protect the wall in my new studio apartment and also used it as whiteboard. I make videos and I used this to write down the bullet points topic I wanted to talk about. It was really useful as I could clean it off and reuse it over and over again. Love this stuff, lets me turn my cupboard door into whiteboard for grocery list. Also have another piece on the wall with weights for fruit for packing lunch. It's easy to measure and cut. Other than finding a corner, it's easy to put on a flat surface. Arrived quickly and was very easy to use. Have had this product for a few weeks now and the markers still erase perfectly without leaving residue. Number 1. Kassa 10-pack Neon Multicolor Chalk Markers. Let your imagination run wild with these vibrant neon chalk markers. They are excellent for crafting bold designs or meeting your everyday writing needs in style. These markers are versatile in every stroke, featuring reversible tips. They are excellent for writing or designing on various surfaces like chalkboards, windows, glass, or mirrors. Enjoy erasable, mess-free strokes with these liquid neon chalk markers. They offer a vibrant and risk-free alternative to traditional chalk, eliminating chalk dust. Spark creativity everywhere with these erasable and washable neon chalk marker pens in 10 vibrant colors. They are ideal for use at home or in the office. Gift the joy of vibrant designing and writing with these dry erase neon chalkboard markers. They are a thoughtful gesture for both budding and established artists. With 10 vibrant colors, these markers are perfect for any project. Bring color and life to every design you create. What we like. If you're looking to add vibrant, eye-catching color to your writing and designs without the mess of traditional chalk, these markers are the way to go. Their versatility with reversible tips makes them suitable for detailed work or bold lettering on various surfaces like windows and mirrors. They are perfect for artists, students, or anyone wanting to make a colorful statement. What people say. The Kassa Vinyl has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. It offers excellent sound quality for its size, with clear highs and a surprisingly deep bass. The Bluetooth connectivity is seamless, allowing for easy streaming from various devices. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.